Hey there, music creators. Ever dreamed of making a song using your own voice, but without all the technical hassle? In today's video, I'll show you how to create an AI-generated song using your voice with a free tool called Suno AI. It's fun, fast, and completely beginner-friendly. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up and log into Suno AI. First things first, head over to Suno AI's website. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, you're ready to unleash your creativity. Step 2. Record or upload your voice. Next, it's time to capture your voice. You can either record yourself directly within Suno AI or upload a pre-recorded clip. Don't stress. It doesn't have to be perfect because the AI will do the heavy lifting. Step 3. Choose a music style. Now comes the fun part. Select your music style. Suno AI offers various genres to match your vibe. Whether it's a chill lo-fi beat or an energetic pop track, there's something for everyone. Step 4. Generate your AI song. Once you've selected your style, click Generate and let Suno AI work its magic. It combines your voice with the chosen genre to create a unique track tailored to you. Step 5. Preview and download. Finally, preview your song. If everything sounds good, download it in high quality and share your masterpiece with the world. And there you have it, a fully AI generated song featuring your own voice. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you created. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.